channel, and today I'm going to be doing this kind of like a watch me video where I am doing these chocolate press on nails. I've been doing press on nails lately because I feel like sometimes the acrylic, it like eats away at your nail bed, and I don't like that. Plus, I realized I'm doing like a design. Press-on nails are kind of faster than acrylic nails because I don't have to worry about shaping or other stuff. Yeah, all I gotta worry about is putting the design on the nail. And I bought all this stuff off of Amazon for the most part, like the nail tips, all the other stuff. I'll tag them in the description box below. You know, I'm an Amazon hoarder. But anywho, yeah, so the nail polishes I got from Amazon, and the press-on nail holders I also got from Amazon, and I stuck them on with the press-on sticky tabs instead of the ones that come in the pack because I don't like those. I feel like these hold better. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just putting in a base coat on these already filed nails. I filed them with my e-filer right before I put on the polish. Also, if you want your nails to be more sturdy, you could also put some acrylic on top. I was just lazy, so I didn't do that. Acrylic or poly gel. I feel like, you know, that makes your nails even more sturdy than, especially if they're longer nails too. But I was lazy. But this brand that I got from Amazon is already pretty sturdy, so I wouldn't really worry about that. That's just if you have like that extra reinforcement, like you taking a vacation type stuff. With these nails, I did a lot of different designs. I tried to make it like chocolate inspired. So yeah, that's why I really used the browns from the Beatles set. And with this brown, this is gonna be my pinky finger, and I just wanted a marble pinky, so this is the base color coat. But yeah, you guys, there's so many ways to make a marble nail, but for this way I just put like globs of gel polish on the nail, and then I just swirl them together to get that marbly effect, and I swirled them with the dotty pen. So yeah, and after that I just cure it for like maybe a minute or two. And for this nail, I wanted it to look like a chocolate bar, so I started with a brown coat, and then I made little boxes on it, so you know, like when you eat a Hershey's bar, it has like little squares on there. So yeah, that's what I did. Oh, and I also like put some clear acrylic powder on top of the nail to help me paint better, because I am not an artist, okay? I just wanted to have the little effect. Yeah, and I realized when I have a clear acrylic powder on top of the nail, it's easier to draw on instead of just a smooth nail. I put some clear acrylic powder on top of the wet boxes so it could have a ridgy effect. And for this nail, I did another light brown coat, and then I did like a swirl design. So I did the white acrylic powder dust again, and I did a swirl design. And for this nail, I wanted to incorporate like a icing type drip. So I started with a base chocolate coat, and then for the icing, I used a white coat for icing. You'll see me do it. And for this last nail, I did a coat of the darkest brown, And then I did a glitter heart design on it. I used the gel glitter polish that came with the box. However, I added a little bit more gold glitters to it, but you don't have to, just so it could like be more of a heart and glittery. And after that, I went over the top coat and I added some chocolate resins I got from Aliexpress. It took maybe a month to come, I think. I don't know, it didn't take that long. But yeah, I got them from Aliexpress. I'm probably gonna link them down in the description box below if you're interested. So yeah. So then I added little candies and then I added my top coat, and this were the final results. So how do you guys think they look? I think they look great. Comment below if I did a good job. And don't forget to check out my TikTok because I like doing nail videos on TikTok. So yeah, add me on TikTok and you're going to see all my nail videos. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Send me any design ideas or maybe like anything you want to see next. You know what I'm saying? And thank you guys for watching. Oh, I'm gonna insert a clip of when I put them on, probably somewhere in this video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.